From Global's newsroom at midnight, the Health Secretary Sajid Javid says health officials now believe around 200,000 people in the UK are currently contracting COVID-19 each day. It's as the Omicron variant surges. Paul Newkey is Global Health Security Editor for the Daily Telegraph. He told LBC that if this strain is more virulent than the Delta or Alpha, there's likely to be trouble.
This government thought the pandemic was over in July, haven't really been taking it particularly seriously since. Now they're suddenly caught on the hop. What could potentially be a disaster at hand unless they can get everyone boosted. And that's really probably the most important thing for people now.
There have been long queues at vaccination centres with people queuing hours to get booster jabs. Though the UK Health Security Agency wants to remind people they can still collect rapid tests from pharmacies. People trying to order lateral flow tests from the government website are being asked to come back tomorrow. Officials say they're being suspended temporarily but will be made available every day. Later on, Boris Johnson will face the biggest rebellion of his premiership so far, with more than 60 Tory MPs set to vote against the government's Plan B measures in England. Sir Keir Starmer, though, has backed the moves to ramp up the COVID booster jab programme. In a broadcast address, the Labour leader confirmed his party will support Plan B. The US President's confirmed he's going to visit Kentucky on Wednesday. It's to view the damage from last week's tornadoes that have killed 74 people. 105 are still unaccounted for. There's also a warning thousands of homes will be left without heat and in freezing temperatures for a long time. Joe Biden's pledged to provide whatever is needed.
It is one of the worst tornado disasters we've had in the country. And the second thing is certain is that it is unusual. It is unusual how it happened, how many places it touched down, and the length of the path.
The government will explore the merits of a National Memorial Day to commemorate those who've died working at sea. The Transport Minister Robert Courts also said the government was determined to make the fishing industry a safer workplace in future. And the Premier League says it's taking precautionary measures after COVID outbreaks at a number of its clubs. 42 positive results have been returned in its latest round of coronavirus testing of both players and staff. LBC weather mainly cloudy this morning but staying dry for most areas. Rain for northern and western parts. Highs of 13. From Global's newsroom for LBC, I'm Serena Farrow.